The real truth about black seed oil. Discover the science behind this ancient oil. Hi, I'm Marcus, and today I'll reveal the science-backed benefits of black seed oil for weight loss. Let's cut through the hype and dive into the facts. Black seed oil, known for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine, is making waves in modern wellness. Its legacy is as impressive as its modern benefits. Benefit 1. It may help control your cravings by influencing hunger hormones. Benefit 2. Enhanced thermogenesis means a faster metabolism, burning more calories even at rest. Benefit 3. Its anti-inflammatory properties support overall body function. Benefit 4. Improved insulin sensitivity helps keep blood sugar stable and reduces carb cravings. Start with 1 to 2 teaspoons daily, taken straight or chased with honey or lemon water. Mixing it into your smoothie or yogurt can help mask its strong taste, making it easier to enjoy daily. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should avoid using black seed oil. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know which benefit surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.